Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Now for today, I have a very unique recipe for you guys for these quick chocolate cookies. They're made with breadcrumbs and sweetened condensed milk. They are just like nothing you've ever tried before. Now if you guys are new to my channel, be sure to subscribe down below because I upload 3 times every week quick and easy recipes. Now let's get started.
Yeah, we are in the place to be.
Now for these quick chocolate cookies, I'm starting off by melting 2 ounces of unsweetened chocolates in the microwave for a few seconds. I'm stirring it around a bit, and then I'll be adding 1 cup of chopped walnuts along with 1 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk. Then goes in that cup of toasted breadcrumbs. Now you can make these yourself by putting some stale bread in your food processor and pulsing it a bit until the bread is coarse. For the last ingredient, a half a teaspoon of vanilla is going in, and I'm mixing all this up very well. And I'm gonna drop them with my small ice cream scoop, or you can use a teaspoon, onto a well-greased or silicone lime baking sheet. They will bake up for about 15 minutes on 350 degrees Fahrenheit. As usual, don't forget that the recipes are always listed down below. These cookies are just something else, I'm telling you now. They have the most unusual texture and flavor. It's a little difficult to describe. They almost taste in between chocolate walnut fudge and crackers. Crazy, right? I really hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. If you're new to my channel, be sure to subscribe so you won't miss out on more of my unique, quick and easy videos. Be sure to give this video a big thumbs up and let me know in the comment section below if you tried them out and what you thought about these quick chocolate cookies. I want to thank you guys so much for tuning into my channel, and I'll see you next time.